So how's your day been?
Today was okay. It was genuinely okay. It was a relaxed day. I had 2 lessons where I did science revision with the students because they have their end of year exam tomorrow. And they were getting excited reciting the first 20 elements in the periodic table by the end of the day. And that is absolutely brilliant for me.
My day was very good. It was fairly laid back. We had a bit of a panicked start where exams had gone to the wrong room, so I had to try and sort out what room they were in, then go grab them, bring them back for my Year 8 class before they ran out of time to actually sit the exam. We managed to get that sorted, followed up by second year of Year 9 who'd just come out of their exams, so were full of energy, ready to disrupt, but it's all right. We managed to get them under control, managed to get them learning about leaves. How have you found your transition from Summit Institute to teaching?
Knowing small techniques and being familiar with sanctions, being familiar with the structure of a lesson and what I need to do for medium-term, short-term planning, all those things came in handy when I started off. So it wasn't like I'm starting from zero. I had some things in my toolkit to start with.
I know you went to school in quite a different context, a different background. What did you find quite different to what you were expecting when you started working in a UK school?
The number of classes I teach, there is a large number of students who have English as an additional language, and I can relate to the issues they're facing in my lessons, and I know how they're trying to translate certain things in their mind, and when I read their answers, I can see where they're coming from, and I think that sort of gives me sort of a unique perspective to how to help them and how to connect with them.
How did you manage to get used to the school systems, the timetable, finding your way around all these rooms?
Department meetings and talking to the colleagues helped, and most of all, what helped me most was my mentor meetings. So whenever I had any issues, any questions, I will note it down, and mentor meeting was that time to sort of troubleshoot in the first few months. So whatever I had queries about, any questions I had, I could always take it to my mentor, and I could knock on her door with anything I felt was urgent, and I could find the answer. So I knew where to go to find the answers. That was the important thing for me.
How do you make sure your lesson gets started smoothly? How do you get the kids in the room and working?
Once they line up outside, I greet them, I talk to them, I remind them about the expectations as they're coming into the lesson, and I greet them at the door and tell them, okay, can you be behind your chairs in silence? And they're waiting for me. They're following the seating plan, and their books will be at the end of the row. They hand them out, and the start of the lesson, they will have a do now retrieval practice activity, which sort of settles them in. So it is a silent activity. They know to expect it. So they come in, they're answering 5 or 6 questions to start with, and we get on with the lesson. So that is a smooth transition. I can't say that it's been easy this year. There's been different types of challenges every step of the way, but I feel more comfortable and more confident in myself at this point than I did at the start. And I do credit a lot of that to all of you guys and all the support you have given me.